What is going on today? Look at this beautiful beast behind me. Isn't she just beautiful? If you haven't noticed, we are at Calder Park Raceway. And what are we doing? We are going drifting. First time drifting the turbo nugget, so should be good. We get some first reactions, might get a bit of Jesse Cam in the car, who knows? It's a dream come true, isn't it? Let's do it. Before I get out on track, have to say a massive thank you to everyone that supports us on the channel. Already said this at the end of my last episode, but before I get out there, massive thank you to Raceworks, Pertec, everyone, put it down below, everyone that supports us. But yeah, Raceworks recently came on board and massive thank you to them. Put in a catch can and a couple other little things in here. My Mac valve mount that I'm super happy with. So yes, massive thank you to Raceworks, and they made this a lot easier for me. Let's get out there. I don't even know one.
You need a sign?
Nah. Don't need a sign in. Yeah, I definitely do. All right, we're about to go out on track. I'm a bit dusty. Hey! Ooh, handbrake's a little bit freaking cold. Oh, we are back. Holy. She definitely felt a little bit more punchy as soon as I dumped the clutch there. It was a whole new car. My car makes pops and bangs now. Ooh. One thing you may have noticed that I did film but didn't have time to put in the last episode, I got a bucket seat and it looks all faded that you may be able to see. But I got given this by some fellow workshop. I don't remember the name, sorry about that. Might be able to link us in below. But yeah, just asked them if they had any spare bucket seats and I got given a free one. So the drift community is amazing and I love them all. Smells and a couple new knocks and whatever else, but so far she feels alright. This is first drive, so the first little moments of driving me turbo car and I'm loving it. Feels like she might have a bit of a misfire. I didn't want to jinx it, but on one of the runs there she felt a little bit misfiery and it kept dying just before. I don't know if it's still just kind of warming up a little bit. Yeah, who knows. As you would have seen, I was having some misfiring problems down at the dyno. Trent was saying, yeah, if you're going to have any problems, 100% you're going to misfire at the track. Like if you're going to have a problem, that's going to be it. So I did my absolute best to heat shield them, got brand new leads and stuff, so hopefully it's not that, but we'll see. Down at my wideband here halfway through my run, if I can manage to do that, and see if it is running how it should be. Yeah, so it feels fine free revving, but when it's under load is when you get problems. Alright, first impressions, I am loving it. It's staying nice and cold. It is doing what it's supposed to do. I'm having some little cutout issues, but if I was expecting to come out on the track first time and there be absolutely nothing wrong, I would be kidding myself. So at least this hopefully should be an easy-ish fix. So let's do it. I am so keen to get some laps in tonight. It's gonna be fucking epic. Alright. Found the miss issue. One of my front leads wanted to pop off. I was having trouble getting it on in the first place. I felt it click, so hopefully it's not going to keep popping off. Hopefully I just screwed it up the first time. But yeah, we've done it again. Hopefully it goes well. Also got a helmet that fits me a bit better, so that is much better. Let's get out there and get some good runs in, shall we? Yee-hoo-hoo! We are on. Dose is nice. Holy, we're going to be getting third tonight for sure. Holy shit. Alright, I was definitely having a big misfiring issue. It is like a whole new car now. Holy crap. Woo! Let's do this. Holy shit, this thing is a whole new beast. Yes sir! Anyone who has a VS Commodore, if you don't have a turbo on that thing, shame on you. Shame on you, alright? I'm gonna roast through some tyres tonight too, holy crap. This thing chalks. I say that, it's got 2 kilowatts. God damn it, he's getting the follow cam on me and I don't know how many tyres I got left, eh? She dying in the ass. I don't know. I'll go check it out. Alright, well that sucks. First lap with the fucking follow cam and she dies again. I have a suspicion it's going to be that spark plug lead. So let's go see if we can't pop that batch back on and see how we go. Alright, we are on. Holy shit. This thing goes so unbelievably hard. I'm loving it. It feels like I've got all the power in the world and it's perfect. However, we are having a couple issues. Firstly, it was misfiring. One of my spark plug leads popped off. I mustn't have pushed it on properly. Who knows? Now, it just keeps dying and it's intermittent starting. So I think it's gonna have a problem. Yeah, you suck.
What happened?
I broke it. I don't know.
Gory.
Anyway, to fix this, what I'm going to do is take my front bar off, see if that keeps it slightly colder, which will give me 1 extra run per turn off.
What is it just breaking down?
Yeah, it's just not starting on crank.
Oh, it's not cranking?
It's not starting on crank. It's just yeah.
Not starting on crank.
Like it's just cranking, but then
So it's dead.
But then I let it cool down for 1 minute and it starts back up completely fine. So crank angle sensor. If you've owned a VS Commodore, you've probably been through it before. Anyway.
And you have like 3 spare?
I have 1 spare. The only thing, the problem is you got to take the balancer off to do it, which sucks. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, he's not going to help me with it. But what can we do? Take the bar off, see if that helps me with my issues, and then just get as many laps as we possibly can. So let's go do it. Mate, one whole night of drifting in the turbo Commodore and it didn't blow up. Happy man, for sure, happy man. We had some issues the entire time, which was excellent. But it means that I didn't rinse all my tires, so I got some for the next event, and they were all minor issues that were intermediate, which is good and a bad thing. It means that my car's not broken, but it means I have more work to do. Far out, god damn it. Anyway, all is good. I'm very happy with the outcome because when it was running mint, it was running mint. Whole different car, not even in the same ball game. Now I got to start focusing on the handling side of this thing, which is going to be much more of a mission than turboing it, which I'm extremely excited for. But anyway, thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for going for a ride with me. Someone critique my spaghetti arms and someone tell me I'm doing something wrong and that my exhaust's too restricted. Everyone who was on that concrete wall, I hope you were loving it because I was and I didn't get to see the flames. So that means you were loving it even more. Anyway, that is it. This turbo build is done. Finally, 5 months later. On to new things. Hopefully you can come with me.